guys! So for today's video, we are going to discuss example number 2 of the area of a segment. And we have the formula, area of the segment is equal to r squared. And then we have to multiply it with the difference of these two. We have here pi times theta over 360 and sine theta over 2. Asan ba dyan yung area of the segment natin? Ito yung shaded part. Okay? Maksaya kasi sa ink kapag isinade ko pa lahat. Okay? So, how are we going to solve for this one? So, we have the value of our theta, which is equal to 150 degrees, and our radius, which is equal to 3 centimeters. Okay? For the formula, we have the area of the segment is equal to r squared. And then we have here pi theta over 360 minus sine theta over 2. Okay? So, let's substitute. What is our r? We have here 3 squared. Okay? And then we have pi times our theta, which is 150, over 360, minus sine theta is just 150 also, over 2. Okay, so 150 over 360, cancel na lang natin yung 0 kasi divisible naman siya by 10. But 15 and 36, simplify na natin ha, para mas mabilis. Okay, so this one is, can be simplified by dividing ilan? By dividing both by 3. Okay, so 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 36 divided by 3 is 12. So this one will be just 5, and this one will be 12. Okay, so you will have 3 squared as 3 times 3, 9. Okay, times pi times 5, you have 5 pi over 12. Minus, sine 150 over 2. Sige, you get your calculator. So, 9 times, what is 5 pi divided by 12? So, dito mga anak, i-round off na natin siya into 2 decimal places, ha? Kasi minsan ang haba na ng answer eh. So, ang need lang natin is 2 decimal places. So, we have here 5 times 3.14. Sabay-sabay tayo dyan. That's 15.7. Tama ba? Divided by 12. So, you will have 1.30. Tapos 8, diba? That's, on your calculator, you have 1.308. I-round off nyo siya. So, magiging 1.31. So, 1.31 minus, what is sine 150? So, sine, pindutin yung sine diyan, 150, that is 0.5. Divided by 2, that will be 0.25. And then we subtract 1.31 minus 0.25, that is 1.06. So, 1.06, i-multiply siya by 9. So, 9 times 1.06, that is 9.54 centimeters. So, that's area. So, centimeters squared. So, the answer or the area of the segment here is 9.54 centimeters squared. Okay? Now, follow these steps to find for the area of this segment. Okay, so you have your angle as 140 degrees and your radius as 5 centimeters. And don't forget to follow for more math videos. And remember that sharing is caring. Bye!